guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, my name is Dana. I upload new videos at least once a week. Usually there's something tea related, and today is no different. I'm continuing on my tasting of all of David's Tea's wellness teas, and this is the second to last one. Today is the day that I try Tulsi Tranquility. So let's go ahead and get that tea steeping. Since this is an herbal tea, we can let it steep as long as we want and it won't oversteep or get bitter. So we want a lot of time to let this guy steep. Okay, let's set it aside and check out the ingredients. Tulsi Tranquility is a fruit infusion tea, and here's the description. It says, sip this blend of berries and tulsi, aka holy basil, when you're feeling stressed. Ingredients are rosehip shells and seeds, apple, tulsi, hibiscus, red currant, rose petals, raspberries, and strawberries. Fruit infusion teas aren't always my favorite, just isn't the kind of tea I typically go for. But this wellness collection, like I love the intention behind a wellness collection. Like these are all teas that are known to make you feel good. And it seems like this is one that helps with stress. As you guys know, I'm getting married really soon. I'm getting married in April. And all this time, like, you know, we've been engaged a really long time and I haven't really been stressed until recently. Like I feel like I just hit like a wall of like to-do list items. So everything is crazy right now. I'm definitely like feeling the stress and feeling the effects of the stress. All of my stress is manifesting like very physically for me. My neck and my shoulders have never been like this painful. Like I feel all the tension in it and it just like hurts so bad. I mean, anything that's gonna claim to like help me with my stress levels right now, I am absolutely grateful for. So even though this particular blend doesn't really seem like my cup of tea in that it's a fruit infusion and like I'm not really that into fruity teas, I am really looking forward to trying it, and I hope that like this really cool ingredient Tulsi will kind of help me like at least get rid of some of like the tension in my muscles, you know, like even if it can't take away like my to-do list stress, it can at least maybe help me to like relax physically. I'm really excited to see David's Tea do like a relaxation tea with a different ingredient besides like a chamomile or a valerian root. I always love like learning about new like herbs and new ingredients and like just finding out more like cool facts, I guess, about different things that you can put into tea. So I was really excited when I heard that they were doing like a holy basil blend, because I know that it's known to have like a ton of benefits. And I guess I didn't really think about like anti-stress. I've heard that it's really good for your skin, which again is a cool thing for like me, a bride, because I'm trying to like look my best for my wedding. So I think like if I enjoy this tea, it might be worth stocking up on. These are all things that I could really benefit from, like something that's good for my skin and can help me de-stress. Like I'm on board with that. I'm also excited that this has like a rose element to it. I feel like David's Tea doesn't often do rose flavored things. Some of their teas have roses in them, like there's Alpine Punch, but there really hasn't been anything for a while that has a nice strong rose flavor up until now with their rose matcha, which I don't think I'm gonna try because I just don't like their flavored matchas. So I'm hoping to get some nice like strong rose flavor out of this Tulsi Tranquility. I think it's really cool that Tulsi is like a relaxation ingredient and it can help to like reduce stress and induce like relaxation, but it's not gonna make you feel drowsy or sleepy. So a lot of relaxing teas have ingredients like chamomile, or in David's Tea's case, they seem to really like to use valerian root. And valerian root, I feel like it just knocks me right out. Like if I drink valerian root, I'm going to bed. With Tulsi, I guess it doesn't really like make you sleepy or drowsy, which is great for someone like me because I don't need any help getting to sleep. I don't know about you, but I could fall asleep anytime. Like even right now, if I went and laid on the couch, I'd be like out in probably 10 minutes. So I don't really need like a sleep inducing ingredient. So for me, like I'm just looking for a way to like help reduce like physical stress and like physical tension and like, you know, help clear my mind and just make me feel good. So I feel like this tea is gonna be an awesome like match for me as far as like what it's meant to do, like the benefits. And it will be so awesome if the Tulsi like works well for me and really does help to reduce my stress. Our tea has been steeping for quite a while now, and I was gonna just let it keep going because look how light the color is. I don't know why I expected it to be like red. It's a really light color, but it has been steeping quite a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that infuser. It smells really floral. I guess it's a pretty good combination between like fruity and floral, but I'm definitely smelling the rose, which I love. So I see the apple pieces. I don't know if this is maybe raspberry. Oh, this might be a piece of the rose. And then I see just a tiny piece of like a green leaf that might be the Tulsi. Out of this whole cup I steeped, I only see a couple little pieces of that leaf, tiny little pieces. So I wonder how much Tulsi you're actually getting out of each cup of tea. Smells good. Oh, you know what it reminds me of is a Valentine's Day tea from when I worked at DAVIDSTea. It smells like Berry Romantic, and that had a super light kind of color too. It was a really light, like rosy, like floral strawberry sort of tea. And that's what this smells like to me. So let's see how it tastes. It has a very light flavor. I don't taste as much of the floral elements as I hoped I would because like I said, I'm looking for that rose flavor, but I don't taste it a whole lot. I'm not getting any kind of like bad or like basil-y or like herby taste from the Tulsi, like nothing like that. And so if I didn't know what was in this, I probably would have just thought that it's like a light fruit infusion. Like I guess it kind of reminds me of DAVIDSTea's Magic Dragon. Like it has a really light sort of fruity taste. I can kind of taste the strawberry and raspberry. There's nothing that really like hits you over the head with flavor. It's all kind of light. If it was just a fruit infusion tea and didn't have any like benefit, like if it wasn't like a tranquility tea or like a calming tea, I definitely don't think I would like even like give this tea a second look, you know? I think like if I drink this full cup and then I'm like, whoa, you know what? Like my shoulders feel pretty good. Like I feel pretty relaxed. Then it would be worth buying a little bit more. But I think like where I stand now, based on like taste, I don't think I'd buy it again. And like based on like my expectation is I'm not really gonna like feel that much de-stressed because like looking at the tea leaves that I steeped, I see only two little tiny pieces of like what I think is the holy basil. So I don't think that's enough to like really give me the effect I'm looking for. It's decent. I think a lot of people are gonna love it. If you like fruit infusions, it's worth a try. But for me, like I just don't think this is my cup of tea. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed my first impression of Tulsi Tranquility. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried Tulsi and what you think of it. Does it help you calm down? Like, have you experienced the effects of it? What do you think? I hope you're having a beautiful day and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.